traveling in the 671 horsepower C63 SE Performance Hybrid, AMG's latest hefty performer. FK Tech here. When Mercedes-Benz Performance Division revealed that the top-of-the-line C-Class would no longer be powered by a V8 and instead be powered by a plug-in hybrid 4-cylinder, AMG enthusiasts were, to put it mildly, dubious. Yes, with a staggering 671 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque, the new powertrain is ridiculously potent. However, AMG claims that the C-Class weighs 4,654 pounds, which is significantly more than any of its fierce rivals, such as the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing and the BMW M3. The Chief Technical Officer of AMG, Johan Hermann, allowed us into the passenger seat of the new C63S to offer us a glimpse of what it's like to be the portly performer. Hermann took us on a decent-sized track with winding roads in less than 30 minutes on one of Daimler's testing grounds south of Stuttgart. We reached triple-digit speeds and experienced all of the C63S's numerous driving modes. At the other end of the spectrum, the fully electric mode provides remarkable all-wheel drive and acceleration even without the assistance of the gas engine. Hermann smiles and says, "We are not an obstacle, as we surprisingly easily climb a hill." We also discuss how the new car offers a wider range of options between comfort and sportiness. The picky group of AMG buyers desired a more comfortable vehicle without compromising on performance. Larger diameter dampers contribute to a smoother ride and effectively reduce engine noise, even when running. Relatively recently, customers have demanded quiet on the initial and final miles of a journey, according to Hermann. The new C63 comes to life when he moves the drive mode selector up a few notches. With all-wheel drive as standard, almost equal front-to-rear weight distribution, and all-wheel steering, the C-Class is designed to provide both traction and agility. Additionally, the new structure provides much better lateral and torsional stiffness, which is always beneficial for suspension tuning. Brakes made of ceramic material are optional. However, the plug-in powertrain, specifically its battery, is really the focus of this tale. Because the C63 is designed to retain some charge even when the battery is supposedly empty, its additional torque is constantly available. Furthermore, restoring a low charge only takes a few minutes. Even under extremely severe braking, the car can still recover, and its full electric boost is available for 10 seconds, enough time to land you in serious legal trouble almost anywhere save on the Autobahn. 155 miles per hour or 174 miles per hour is the maximum speed that can be reached, depending on the package. There are drift modes that completely transfer the torque to the rear axle, lest you believe AMG has gone completely pragmatic in its shift to hybridization. Compared to comparable BMW systems, they are simpler and more accessible. The show is very impressive from the right side seat. However, even as a passenger, the weight of the C63 is noticeable. Although the added mass of batteries and electric motors can be a disadvantage in turns and braking zones, even though they improve straight-line performance, AMG is reluctant to discuss racetrack numbers just yet. All four wheels receive power transfer through AMG's 9-speed wet-clutch MCT automatic transmission. Additionally, an electrically assisted turbocharger, which is more potent in this instance due to the high-voltage system's ability to provide more electric boost, force-feeds the M139L engine, which is shared with the C43 AMG. With 671 horsepower, the boost is constant when operating from the passenger seat. However, the weight of this car prevents us from being completely blown away. We also don't detest the electronically enhanced sound, but neither does it either. Exhaust flaps amplify the artificial sound effects that are piped into the cabin and blast out through external speakers. It sounds very much like a 4-cylinder engine, but with a lot more aggression. Just as we can put up with the sound of the CLA45 AMG, so can we with this. Indeed, it doesn't sound like a V8. However, by far the greatest 4-cylinder hybrid we've ever heard of is this one. We added a lot of other things, but we removed 4 cylinders, Herman explains. That's accurate, and a lot of it is excellent, making the car the most cutting-edge and contemporary in its class. Everywhere you look, you can see the technology transfer from the limited edition AMG 1. Is this our preferred version of the future? Yes, we think it looks and feels great. However, don't hold it against us if we cry for the simpler, bygone era when a V8 and your own right foot were all you needed for boost and drift modes.